Let's start again. Thanks mods for letting me know. I don't know why my mic was off, but Charles, Jordan, Anas, welcome for the first time, Anas. Hope you're doing good, brother. Rowena, good morning. Mark Belay, good morning. Perfect. Sorry about that, boys. I didn't see the icon wasn't clicked up. Hope you guys doing good though. Let's get straight to the charts and let's mark out our plan for this morning. If you are watching for the first time, welcome, and make sure that you drop that like on the stream as well as subscribe to the channel, as we do this every day, Monday to Thursday on YouTube, 8:30 GMT +2 for London session, and then Monday to Friday for the MFX members. Do note we are having our MFX bootcamp tomorrow, so make sure that you sign up and join the team before tomorrow. That's going to be a great one. Other than that, boys, let's get straight to the charts. Let's hit on gold and see what's happening for the day. Right. Mods, just let me know regarding the mods besides Darren. Let me know how the music volume is. Do you know if it's too loud, too soft? Q and Pino, what's up? Perfect. Right. Weekly rejecting highs. Overall highs 24.50. Check this out. Is this not the range? Is this not the range? That's your weekly range, right? Highs, lows, highs. Where's price going to come to? 2300. So that's what we already anticipate off the weekly after price has grabbed liquidity on the weekly, rejected the highs of 24.50, rejected the highs also of 24.25, closing below the, well, trading below the body of last week, which is 23.75. We'll anticipate price should then tap into QP today, as well as possibly going further if that may be the case. But we're already starting to look in anticipation that we can possibly tap that quarter pip today. Let's see how that daily is looking. Yes, sir. That will be straight off the bat what I'm going to be looking for, guys. Price trading below the level of 23.75. More than likely, even if it is to drive up, the question is, where does price need to go to get liquidity from in order for it to drive? And it is going to be where it has came from, and that is this key level right there of 23.50. So more than likely, now that you're starting to break this level of liquidity on the left hand side, can you see that? 23.75. Price is trading below that, right? More than likely it's going to trade from quarter pip to quarter pip, which is going to be 23.50, and that's what I'm going to be looking for this morning. A tap into 23.50. Possible extension, because we understand that the weekly is now also in that range of that weekly low. So I'm going to show you something, that weekly low to weekly high. But check this out. On the daily you have liquidity there as well as there. Okay, this for me was price grabbing volume to start trading right back below that resistance to come back down. That's going to be the idea behind today. Definitely. Unless today does not close below this level, I will anticipate price coming down. However, if for some reason we do something like this, where this current daily candle is open, pops up, trades below, makes the low, and then closes something like this today, then obviously that idea will be invalid when it closes something like that, because that just means that this was price grab liquidity in order to start closing above to trade where? Back above, right? That will be the only time where I'll say, okay guys, we're at the point where we are rejecting the area, we're grabbing liquidity. This was just price just grabbing liquidity of that daily level for price to continue up, and then the weekly idea of the resistance and support is null and void. That will be the only time I'll be keen on buys. Other than that, I'm very bearish on gold this morning. It looks good for me because I'm seeing this stem off right now. Liquidity zone, price is accumulating volume for price to tap, well, to drive, tap, and continue. That's the idea for me. Let's see if our lower time frame starts to line up with that. I just want to mark in the current daily low and the current daily high, because I'm going to use it as a reference today if we do surpass either of these areas, well, these zones. Any questions, you can just let me know on the go. Jordan, do you know you share the COD server, not the Patreon? Hi, A. Morning, Kazi. How are you doing? Hi, A. Do we greet the A now? Hi, A. Wow, crazy. Sir, any trade now? Bruh, I'm still busy with my analysis and you're asking for a trade already. Why don't you just wait a couple minutes, be patient, and maybe you'll get a position. Just be patient. But while you edit, subscribe to the channel and like the stream.
I want it now.
Awesome. Okay, as I was saying, boys, that's the only time I'm going to be buying. Now I want to go to my 4-hour zone and start looking for liquidity zones. Okay, let me actually just... Guys, I'll get back to the chat as soon as I'm done my analysis. For those that come in and just want a trade, be patient. Damn. Crazy. Okay. Anyways, these are my 4-hour liquidity zones as I'm going to be drawing right now. So the first one is going to be this area where we are right now. Just because that 4-hour... If we look at this 4-hour leg to the downside, we don't have any supports on the 4-hour. So I'm going to look to the left hand side and grab previous liquidity zones and use that as reference for what price could do in the future. Okay, so this is what I'm going to be doing now, boys and girls, is marking out those zones from the previous areas and use that as a guide. Okay, those are my 4-hour zones. I'm gonna jump to the 30-minute just to tweak the zones and see if I can plot any different zones. That's fine. These, I'm not gonna add these in. I don't, if you trade with me every day, you understand that I don't like to clutter my chart. So I find the most important zones and I use that as my reference. Okay. These are my 4-hour zones. I'm going to add in one 30-minute zone, which is going to be this level here. And then from there, I'm going to tell you a beautiful story as to what I think could happen. Okay. Now, I'm actually going to go back to my 4-hour and work off of that. 4-hour. Tapping into a 4-hour liquidity zone. Do you see how supply and demand is so important? Because now it's telling me a different story. As much as I wanted to sell, selling at the lows is not the case. However, even though the sell is my mindset, now I'm going to look for type 3s. Do you already see how it's starting to build a picture? So off of this 4-hour, guys, I understand that we are also below that quarter pip 23.75. So the idea will then be to look for shorts after every broken support. That's going to be the idea. However, if the range is large enough, I can target the pullback as a trade today. Okay, so first and foremost, coming off of that hourly, I just want to come off the watch and see how the hourly looks. Hourly is retesting a resistance area. So previous support, let's see if it forms a resistance there, because this will be the next sort of idea. So there's going to be two ideas that's going to come from this. That's a 60 pip range, right? So let's look at the buy scenario first. Okay, buy scenario is price tapping into the liquidity level of 23.55 to grab liquidity. It's not directly into the quarter pip, which I would like. So I'm missing one confluence there, but it's fine. It's stemming off of the idea that it's going to be bouncing off of this 4-hour liquidity zone. You are overall bullish. I think your 4-hour has flipped now, actually. That 4-hour actually has flipped now bearish, boys. Yes, sir. It has. That might mean that the 30-minute has as well. Let's quickly check there. Yeah, wow. 30-minute and 4-hour is bearish, giving me a 2v2 bias for today. Two V2 bias for the day. I want preferably sells, but obviously This bias gives me the idea that it can be either or today. Now, as I said, I'm working off the buy idea. The buy idea, once again, comes from the idea that you're bouncing off that 4-hour zone. You've got your 30-minute doing something like this. Drive, pull, drive, pull, drive, pull, drive. For price to come back above there, retest it, I'm going to see it as price holding equal support in order for price to come back to quarter pip. Now, I'm not saying that's the beginning of price starting to drive. However, sorry, turn back bullish. However, if we understand what has happened here prior, can we see that zone? There's my block here over there, my block. Okay? If price gets above that, it's probably going to do the same thing, which means that it's going to mimic on the left hand side, which means that I'm going to use it as a range. And that will be the idea, is that once price starts to then get above set examples such as price popping up like that, retesting, I'm going to anticipate that it can hold that support. Once it holds the support as it starts to drive, I'll anticipate that it's going to continue that leg. Okay, that's how I'm going to get on the buys. On the sells, because you're now retesting this level, can't do anything yet, because you're retesting this level of previous support, now formed 15-minute resistance. I will be looking for type 3s right there. So where we are right now, I'm going to start looking for type 3s. If I can get that, I will take my shorts back down to the current daily low in anticipation that we'll break those lows and plot into 2350 as that lower region leg, which is going to be a zone of, wow, 180 pips, guys. Gold is big. LTA on the left hand side, I'm quite happy with that. Yeah, I'm quite happy with that. It's just, this is not enough for me to sell it. So technically what I need is some sort of support to form there. And then once it does something like that, then I can take the short. As of right now, I can't do anything. I can't use anything. I can't do anything. So for me, it's just going to be a patience game to see what 9 o'clock brings. Because you need to understand that on that 5-minute, even though you are retesting, there is that liquidity zone right there on the 5, which means that this could be the rejection of the 4-hour to drive, pull back, and start doing that. So just because one 15-minute candle rejects there, it's not enough for me. Especially a 15-minute candle with no bottom wick. I need price to now stall there, give me some sort of support. So preferably a bullish 15-minute candle to form, whether it be doji or Mariposa or whatever. I just want to see something like that eventually. And then when I get in on this position, it does not have to be the close, it can be the break of that 5-minute floor, and I'll be quite happy with that. So for price to look something like this, then I can get, whoopsie, don't get excited, that is not what I meant to do. Then I can get involved with something like this, but just to sell it because it looks like price is going down, no, that's not the case. We need price to accumulate volume, which is accumulating liquidity at the level of 2368, and if it does break that floor, then I can take it. But if not, then I won't take it, because like I said, guys, this could be price just, you know, reacting off of the zone to continue doing that. So here we gotta be very, very cautious and very wise. Okay, so my idea on gold is to sell it today. I love the sells. I've explained to you how I can buy. I've explained to you how I can sell. Does anybody not understand that? Gold is going to be a stunning move today, I can tell you that for sure. So for me, this is going to be aggressive sell areas. This will be aggressive buys. Does everyone understand how and why I'll take the buy? It is immediate and it is quite aggressive, but it can work. And then here will also be... No, this will be safe buys, because my 30 will be bullish at that point. So for now, I'm just going to work with this area for my shorts. Okay? So without getting into too nitty gritty with the candlestick anatomy, what do we want to see? Support, break, retest, drop. That's what you want to see. Or support, retested highs, equal highs, and then drop. But how, do you see how I can still get that buy off of the retest? Do you see that? So those are the ideas there. I want to sell gold today. That's the primary target. However, if those buys sit up and they look good, I will take them. Okay, so we know what we're doing today on gold. Drop a 1 in the chat if you understand. Holy moly, what is going on here? Drop a 1 in the chat if you understand. What am I reading? Bro, just a suggestion, why don't you use anchor text for your bias? That way it stays in one place instead of you moving all the time. How do I do that? How do I do that? Anchor text, you mean like a bubble? Tell me. Anchor text. Oh no, I see what you're saying. No, I didn't want that because then sometimes, like for me, bias isn't something that I want on the screen the whole time. Personally, I don't want it. I just kind of want it in the side because I don't know. I don't have OCD, but I swear I don't like a lot of shit on my charts. I just don't like it. So I'll keep it there and I can glance there. I mean, bias, you don't need to look at the whole time, you know what I mean? So that's what I do personally. No unit because it's in a bearish trend. You with me? So the final thirds only happen in the last section of that current direction, if that makes sense.
Oh, so it's only when it goes with the trend.
Yes,
you
ma'am.
look at the thirds.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, so not with type 3.
Excuse me?
So then type 3 doesn't have the thirds at all.
No, it does, because I'm going to do a type 3 right now. If it closes above here, it's going to be the type 3 idea, but it's more so the style of execution is type 4. Because like this is going to be a type 3, because I'm going against this bullish pullback right now. That's a type 3. Remember, there's two different ways we can look at type 3s.
Yes. I think I'll just have to see it more.
No problem, but you're doing good. Goes. Who removed Cody's question? I saw something about $200 on it. What did he ask? Oh. What did he ask? Something about 200 something. 50 viewers, 14 likes. I'm not going to drop a trade until I get 30 likes. So start liking the stream. It's as simple as clicking the like button. If you're new here for the first time, play mods. I will play you guys because you guys are fast, bro. Can you check Telegram analysis, please? No. Okay, let's see what's happening. Alrighty. Nice, Jordan. Perfect. Spot on. Bias is perfect. Oh, beautiful. This is stunning, my boy. Well done. I love it. Just add in what you want to do, but other than that, you are styling, my guy. Pound yen. Let's have a look see. Okay. 100%. 100%, my brother. Okay, I'm gonna get my GG analysis done by 9 so that we can start monitoring it. What's happening on GJ? GJ. I still feel like that weekly can come full this week for sure. Daily's re-breaking its current low at the moment. Interesting. Staying off of the resistance. This is the same resistance as the 30 if I'm not mistaken because of yesterday's analysis. Let's check quickly, am I right? Yes, I'm right. Okay. Guys, let's get that 4 hour zones ready. Let's see what we can do on GJ. So here we've got my supply. There's no form demand as of yet, so I'm going to use this area because there's a potential type 3 that we might do because of the range. Almost like what you saw on Jordan's chart that said range potential. I understand what he means. MFX members, I hope you understand what he meant by that. Quickly in the chat, in the Zoom chat, what does he mean by range potential? What does he mean by range potential? For sure. Is there a certain type of trade you could look from that resistance? Perfect, 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 perfect. Yeah, I know there's news, boys. Don't worry. Don't worry, I know there's news. Perfect. Okay, so for me personally, this was the mid-trade change at the other end. Yes. What type is that, Jordan? It's not a type 4. Unless you want to execute like a type 4, but what is that reversal? What is that reversal there, boss? Just tweaking my 4 hour zones, and I'll do the 30, and I'll tell you where I'm going to be trading. I'm going to be trading. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Naughty badge for you today. Right, boys, reversal off of those highs. I'm going to look for type 3 reversals. And a simple closure back above will be type 4 long positions. And that is going to be a safe position for me. Alright, you're overall bullish. 30 bullish. 4 hour bullish. There's a 4v0 bullish. This will be a no trade range. I'm not going to get into too much depth with this because we're literally in the same area as yesterday. We also have news, I think at 9:30, if I'm not mistaken. What did I see this morning? Why is this moving there? This morning when I came on... Let's run up those likes, boys. If you're new to the channel, sub to the channel. What time is this? Where are we? Thursday. Yeah, you got pound news at 10:30. However, even though we're not trading the euro, it's more than likely going to affect pound yen. So let's say the next 15 minutes, we've got some high impact news. Like I said at the beginning of the week, from today onwards, there's going to be a lot of fundamental volume. So be ready. So here, type 3 shorts, here, type 4 longs. That's going to be the break of that 30-minute resistance as well. We'll look to long into the quarter pip of 200. And if we reject off of that 30-minute level, which I would be quite surprised, I will then look for type 3 shorts back down in anticipation that will just range. Do you see that range? It will just range. I don't think that's the case though. I look for longs. You see what you guys are doing to my English? I will look for longs above 199,600 because the yen is very weak, boys. The yen is just very weak. So on a fundamental perspective, it's more than likely going to give us those long positions. Not with the euro news, but more so the pound news. So just check it out. So personally, mods, you can just keep a watch list for me, but I'll just pop alert there for the longs. If the sales come, Jordan, let me know. And then, yeah, I'll rather just watch gold. Does everybody put a 1 in the chat if you understand why I didn't just sell it because we started to look like we were falling? Yeah, I know, yeah. Too much Doja candles, you have to do this on GJ. I don't think that's a problem, brother. La 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 la. Oh, la 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 la. Yes, you see, I know the song today. Got you. I got you on that today. People in the Zoom, are you guys good? You understand everything? Any questions? Sally, good. Everybody fine? Sorry, every time I think I see the word, the name Sally, I think of Top Boy. Have you guys watched Top Boy?
Where's they?
That's like when he signed up, I was like, wait a minute. I need them P's, fam. I need more streams to complete understanding what you mean, but sounds simple to be honest. Great. But also we do offer mentorship. You can sign up to that because prices go up end of the month. So you want to be part of the current package at $47. My full course, everything. 101 mentorship, everything. That's at 9 o'clock close. 30-minute form that resistance. 15 minutes held the support. 5 minute has the support level. Let's get ready, boys. Oh. Ha. You know, it's a problem here. Oh, there is. Okay, never mind, no problem. Get ready for gold shorts. Okay, taking gold shorts right there, boys. A 36 pip stop loss. I might actually bring that stop loss tighter. I'm gonna do a 30 pip stop loss on that with a 70 pip target. We have a minor top wick, so I wasn't gonna take the trade because it wasn't that large, but I'm gonna take the stab at it here. If it does not play out, I will take my second trade. But we are now breaking that previous 15. I would have preferred a larger top wick, but I'm gonna keep it there. I like that. 5 minute starting to penetrate that floor. We should sink. TP1 is going to be 10 as per usual. That will be my TP1 right there. TP2 will be there for 29. But the body is over there. And then your overall TP will be at the current day low for 70 pips. Okay. This is going to be my first trade of the day. Let's see how it goes. Very nice stop loss for 30 pips. I'm not going to go and risk more. Obviously, I can have a bigger stop, but I feel like, I don't, say for example now, it made that little peeperkey of a nipple wick. Then coming to break that lows to re-break its own high and the previous high. I don't want to be in the trade anymore because then I know it's going to come up. So why risk more? So I'm going to keep it there at 30 pips. That's going to be my stop loss for this morning. So it's a tight stop loss, but it makes sense to me. 23.65.87. It's either gonna go my way. So yeah, man. Now, I thought there wasn't a wick, but there is a small wick. Check it out. There's a nipple one. A nice nipple wick over there. So there is one. The only way I could lose is if, obviously, this is just price grabbing liquidity a bit deeper for it to flip that 5 and then drive up. And I'm okay with that. I'm okay with that. This trade makes sense to me. Coming off of the idea that you've got that 15-minute rejection, you're breaking that previous 15-minute low, as well as your 30-minute hitting that resistance point. You don't want to be in the trade if it's going to break that high of the 30. You don't want to. So I feel like I'm actually being quite lenient with my stop loss, to be honest with you. So yeah, but I'm going to keep it at that 30 pips, boys. Jordan, yes. You trade with a prop firm? No, I don't. I trade personal capital, but there is a prop firm that I recommend, and that is Vault Funder. You can see the link in my description. Are we in a trade? I'm in a trade. I don't know about you guys, but I'm in a trade. Trade was based off of the 15-minute idea, also 30, but more so that 15-minute idea, and then also the 5-minute break in the floor. Don't like the wick, to be honest. That's okay. You don't have to take the trades that I take. Dance where you. The more you trade, the more you'll gain experience, the more understanding you'll understand of these candlestick anatomies. And that's why I can explain a story to you guys beforehand, during, and after the trade. Because I've been doing this for so long, you see the same shit every day. So there's certain things that we look for within the MFX community. There's certain things we look for within our strategy. If we get it, we take it regardless whether we're going to win or lose. It doesn't matter. The thing is, when your edge arises, you take the position. You can't have any fear. Because you have a strategy for a reason, right? You've blueprinted the strategy. At the moment, you got an 87% win rate on the strategy. So, you gotta take the trade. But yo, boys, while we wait, do hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. We are London traders, so we trade London session every day. Live on YouTube for free. And if you want to level up your trading, we do offer a mentorship course as well that should provide you with A to Z content, as well as one-on-one mentorship. I guide you myself. Pretty cool, right? Right, boys, TP1 hit, go to break even. Thank you very much. That's a W, a W, a W, a W. Let's go. Let's go. Hey, let's go, man. If you got that trade with me, drop a W in the chat. Let's go. We did it again. Now we have break even and our run is going. Let's see how far they can push. But I have secured 80% of my personal position there. I am happy. I hope you are too. If you didn't make money with me, that's totally fine. The main thing that you come to the stream for is to learn, is to get the education so that you can do this on your own. Come on, baby. Let's go. On the dot. 2362.81. 2362.81 I got. No, 2362.80. So a better entry. Oh, nice. Nice, boy. Nice, boys. Nice. So you got it was to your benefit. I got you, bro. I got you. $121 profit. Thank you, buddy. No, thank you, sir. Now you can take that money and join the mentorship so you can learn how to do this on your own. Devin, this is your brother, eh? This Kwan or Kwan.
Yeah.
Is it Kwan or Kwan?
It's Kwan.
Kwan.
Is this spelled Kwan?
Please show me Kwan. Join the mentorship, my guy. You got your brother in the group here already. You guys must work together and make this money. But good stuff, boys. People in the Zoom, how did we do? How did we do? We catch that? Jason, praat met my. You get that? I feel like you guys are way too quiet for the trades that are cool. It's actually sad. It's actually it's sad. It's sad. Nice. Yeah, I gotta run as well, but rule of thumb, TP1, I have to secure. Vince Mins, I got him, thank you, sir. Bye, Donkey here. I see you like what's happening because you're staying on. This is very cool, man. Vince Mins, bro. You got that, Simon?
I got him. Thank you very much.
Nice. Either way, you would have got the 10 because she pushed 14 pips. So even if you got like a slightly later entry, you should have got 10 at least.
Yeah, I got it started very early.
Better or later?
Later and better.
Oh, so you got a higher up. Oh, okay. Yeah, guys, that's my run out. Trade killed though, well done. For a NAS, I hope that you understood why I could take that position. Probably won't because you're new here, but that was the minor top wick didn't phase me at that point because the 15-minute gave me the grab of liquidity, the indecision in the market, and then the break of the lows was a giveaway for the trade. More important, the 5-minute floor started to break. That's a gone idea. Can get my 10 and I can walk. Rule of thumb, I'm done for the day. I made my money, I'm done.
Hey, this is class.
I'm done, boys. I'm gonna chill though. We're gonna chill on Zoom, but I made my money, bro. I'm done, dog.
Done before the 15-minute shot.
Hee hee. Darren, how's your screen?
Oh, yes. Darren get his screen.
Darren got his screen now, bro.
5-minute trade, my friend. So Darren gonna buy him a new screen after that.
Jordan, why are you talking about shuffles, bro?
Guys, we go for dancing class after this, bro.
Jordan? You must wait. You must wait. Sorry?
Yeah?
You must wait. Yeah, I said you must wait for the...
What is that? What is it? I don't know that one.
I don't know, but I'm waiting for it.
No, don't worry, Jordan. No.
What is that? I don't know that one.
No,
It's like the middle of your range.
yeah.
I never heard of that one. Shit, must want to teach me.
Like pretty much between the ace and low and the ace and high.
Oh, okay. Nah, I never heard of that one.
No, yeah, now it's like, now it's your, yeah, Jordan is right, it's a mid-range, but it's a previous base scale. The base scale.
Oh,
It's like
okay.
it was a mad shot special.
Oh,
Yeah.
mad shots. It's lekker too.
Some say like it.
How's that throat doing now? Gonna play targeting, target. Gonna play target shooting later. How was your shooting yesterday, Jordan?
Very good, brother. Got 100% for both.
Shoo! Can see your MFX student. Right, right. It's another dub. It's another dub. Nog hier, Nikki. Met Ace, ja. Met Ace.
Yo, when last did I hear that?
That used to be me and my uncle's advert. We would like tease each other about it the whole time. How was that video I shared with you yesterday with an IG? The one where she gets the dope. The one where she was showing the boy and then she gets dope and then she's like all happy. Nice journal, bro. Where'd you get it? We have we have a personal journal creator within our group. So as you join the MFX membership, you get a journal, and yeah, it's amazing, right? Flippin' sick journal, bro. It does everything for you. It's so cool. Like you can send it off and then it just gets done for you. So you've got your date, your pay, your session, buy, sell, entry time, close time, pips gained or lost, your win loss, your entry times, your time frames. Then on the right hand side you have your pips for the month, all of that stuff. We still need to add. That's not, May's not done it. We haven't added everything yet. So it's lekker, man. It's lekker. It's lekker. Yeah, he's a really cool guy. I heard he's charging for members and Vince. Yeah, I think no, he's only charging for Vince actually. I think it's just Vince. I think he's just charging Vince. Yeah. Let's just check with him. How beautiful, boys? Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. What happened with pound, yen, euro? Woo! Shit! I knew it. Euro news will affect the pound, and we can see that. Crazy!
But we were done.
Yeah, but we done, boys. Made my money on a 9:10. Done. I'm done. So hold on, I'll put my phone on charge, seeing that I won't be taking any more trades. Quick question on YouTube. Do you execute positions on your phone or your PC? Let me know in the chat. Where you at? PC, MetaTrader. PC, but thinking of moving to phone because every time there's a delay on PC. I got you. For me personally on MetaTrader, I prefer the phone. PC is lekker, it's cool, it's awesome. I just like the phone, man. I don't know why. I don't know if it's because I'm used to it because I've been doing it all my days. But yeah, I don't know. I prefer the phone for sure. However, in that period where we were doing the TFT challenge and they migrated to CTrader, that was quite nice. I actually enjoyed CTrader on the PC. That was quite nice. So for that, I definitely will say CTrader on PC. I don't like CTrader on the phone. Not gonna lie. MetaTrader on the phone is prime. I use the HFM trading platform. You enjoying it? How are you finding it good? I can show you how to take partials on the phone, Charles. So when the position is open, you hold it and you click close position, right? But before you close the position, on the top where your lot size is, you just move it to how much you want to close. Sorry, to how much you want left over. and then you close, boom, and then poof, there you go.
Now, say, for example, you have a big right? Is it possible that you can have like close passes or
On MetaTrader, unfortunately, you can't do it like that, but like on C-Trader, you can, where it will close a certain percentage at that point. So on MetaTrader, how I do it personally is, like for this trade, for example, I had three take profits. I'll set my overall take profit at my last, on the MetaTrader, and then on the first and second, I will manually close partials. That's how I will do it. Yeah, that's how I do it. I used to, that's on one position. You can also, let's say for example, you're risking 1%, you can also then split that 1% into maybe 50-50 or 80-20 or however you want it, and then close like that. But for me personally, it just made more sense to have one position at the point of reference where I execute and then manage it from that point. Yeah. Also, one thing you guys will notice about me, I don't do any add-on positions, because this is my idea, my understanding. When I buy or sell at that point, that is where my strategy has lined up. So if I go into drawdown and I add on position, am I adding on to a trade that has lined up with my strategy? Probably not. So that's why you'll see me never add on trades in drawdown. Because why do I want to lose more? Because when I take the trade, I account for the percentage that I have at risk. Now with me adding on to a drawdown, thinking that I can use the higher position. Let's say for example I'm selling, right? Let's say for example this is the case. I take sells there, this is the trade. Okay? That's my trade over there. We had a 30 pip stop loss today. Then I come into drawdown, this candle decides, you know what? I'm gonna go chill over there. Then you go and add another position. Yes, it's now gonna give you more pips, but then you have to do the same thing. Risk that same 30 pips. So then essentially you're actually risking more than that percentage that you had at risk. Or you could do it like this, where you risk that same stop loss, but my thing still is then, even if you're only then risking 10 pips on that trade, you're still adding on percentage risk. That's why you won't see me add on positions, because my idea is always the fact that when I take the trade, that is the point where my strategy has lined up. Why am I adding on? Just because of drawdown. Yeah. The break of this floor over here is going to drop. If gold, do I want to say this because someone's going to take it? Just an example. I'm not going to take it because I made my money. Here's another setup right here. The break of this 15 is going to be the break of the floor, like that. This is not a trade. Oh fuck, let me light it before someone's going to do it. Not a trade. No, bro. I've seen such wild shit on YouTube. It's very funny. O's will just start taking because people will take this because I will pull out this magic blockies. Wild. This would be another potential trade. The break of that 5-minute floor. This floor right there, your stop loss above that resistance for 40 pips, and you target the lows. That would be another trade. But I'm not gonna take it. I made my money. I'm done. Just giving you guys ideas. I'll do that throughout the session. Just give you guys ideas. And if you have any ideas that you want to do, because look guys, I'm done for the day. So if anybody in the MFX group, you guys should be done as well. If you've taken that trade, you should be done. That's beautiful. Because let's play the scenario in the head. For those that are still wanting to learn or wanting to get to this point, now you understand why trade less is more. Because let's say if you're gonna work hard, let's speak positivity over your life. So let's say when you get to the point of trading at least 6 figures, 10 pips is all you need. 10 pips of $500,000 is going to be 1%. So you only do S&R analysis, right? No, I do way more than just support and resistance, brother. It's just looking at my trading, it is very simple. So I involve market structure, price action, supply and demand, and candlestick analysis. How I use it though is very different to a lot of people. And I think that's why I'm so good at what I do. And I think that's why I have one of the highest win rates on YouTube currently. Quote me. Quote me. So yeah, let's say you get to the point of trading 6 figures. Let's say you trade $500,000. You get 10% of that, or let's say 1% of that is going to be $5,000, right? Yeah. Is right? Yeah, $5,000. Shit, my maths. Yes, $5,000. 10 pips, 1%. That is, in my country, that is 80 something thousand rand. Do you need to take another trade? If you do that consistently, get to about between 5 and 10% for the month. 10% of 500 is 50k. $50,000 in my country is just over 800,000 rand. So you, wherever you are in your trading journey, you need to start assessing your mind and start trading as if you have a 6-figure account already, because you're already then going to blueprint yourself the mindset that you'll need at that point. Trying to take many trades now is just jeopardizing you. And we'll always have the conversation, yeah, but you know, it's not enough money for me now. What is enough money for life? Take that question. Because you'll always be like, no, I only have a $100 account. I need to flip it because it's not enough money for me. You'll always have that argument. Because you're looking at it the wrong way. You're wanting the money now. Focus on the long term, boss. If it means you must eat peanut butter bread, you must eat peanut butter bread. Until you get to the point where you can have your caviar and sushi and boa. Everything is a journey. Do not try and over leverage your accounts just to make a lot of money. Who's having a party this? Jordan's having a sing along there. But shit, I'm done for the day. I'm gonna do Flaggle, Worldle, then I'm gonna call it the session, boys. Is there any questions that you maybe have regarding today's trade? Yes, no, maybe. You're in the Super C drinks. Might be a new thing for me, especially after your net said I can have 2 a day. Might be a new thing. But I think I'll probably just do 1 a day.
Maybe the Swiss influenced me yesterday. Out of the seat.
Bruh, you need to try this. I put it on the screen yesterday. Go try this. I went to 6 different shops yesterday to find this bad boy. Suma bought 5. How was the steers? The steers was amazing, bro. Steers was amazing. 2 under conditions. I'll do it only on cycle 2. Let me say day 2. Oh yeah, she said I can have 10 here. Look, if your net says it, then I'm good. Then I don't feel bad. Then I don't feel bad. So 5 a day or 5? 10 a day or 10 in the week? I think she said 10 in a day. No more water for me, only Super C drinks. Crazy. But after this, after last night, I need about 55 of them. I won't tell you guys what happened to me last night. How was the cake? What cake? What cake? The other day? It was fine. I never had cake yesterday. I don't think I had cake yesterday. No, I didn't have cake yesterday. Hey, where's your screen? Really? You get it? Hectic. Nah, I never had cake yesterday. Yo, people on YouTube is keeping tabs of what I chow. This is what I had for breakfast. A high protein energy crunch bar. Yeah. High protein energy crunch bar. 13% less sugar. First country, what are we doing? First country, what are we doing? Where are you from in the YouTube chat? Where are you from right now? Tell me your country, that will be the first country. First one to say the country will be the country of today. Zoom as well, 15 people in. Oh. Jamaica, making me crazy. 1.7%. Okay, this thing has green in. I don't think Venezuela has green in. No, it can't be that. I think it's gonna be like green on the top, green on the bottom sort of flag. What flag is that? Because that seems like how it looks. So green at the bottom, green on top. What could that be? Brazil. Let's try that. Brazil. Who said that? Simon. Let's go with Brazil. Let's see. No. So there's green and white in it. Green and white.
South Africa, more time here.
Can't be South Africa. Nigeria. I'm gonna hit with the Nigeria. Let's go. Okay, there's painting a nice picture. It has a Christmas tree in the middle with the Grinch around it in snow. GJ moved to, let's see. Oh, that's news, brother. That's all news now, Sally. News till about till after 10. So what happens now? We're not phased about that, brother. You from Nigeria, bro? Where in Nigeria you from? What? I didn't even know that. Where in Nigeria? Bro, hop on the comms. Hop on the mic. Hop on the mic. Kano.
I'm from Nigeria.
Nice, dude. Nice. Send me a message on Telegram. Send me a message on Telegram. We need a one-on-one. What? If you want to? Shit, why not? Nice. Okay, just send me a private message on Telegram so we can do a one-on-one. Perfect. No stress, Sally. Shot. Algeria. Yeah, we can try Algeria out. Interesting. Green and white. Guys, I know GBP news is coming. I know that. We made money already. We made money this morning. We hit our target. We're done. I know GBP news is coming. Mexico, you say? But you see, it can't be Mexico because there's a white. So it's gonna need a white center. Can I please cheat, man? Please, guys, let me just cheat. Thank you. Anders dan gaat ik nou heel dag hier wachten voor die vlag. Man, zorgen een vlag. Lesotho. Yes. No, what the fuck? One try left. Lebanon. We know. Oh, Charles with the Lebanon. Lebanon has a Christmas tree in the middle. GBP USD buy or sell, guys. Do we buy GBP USD or USD? Do help us, please. MFX members, do we buy or sell GBP USD right now? What should we do? Where's Darren? Darren, can you answer this guy, please? I should. Goals. Oh, who removed him? Yes, this mods. Come on, can I have some fucking fun? Who removed him? Who removed him?
Why you remove him? He was about to give us a signal.
Who removed him? Put him back.
Give us a signal, go.
Oh, did he remove his own comment? No, Jordan. Jordan, you fucking bastard. Why did you remove him? Goal, I'm so sorry for my mod. He's rude. He's a security guard, so he's supposed to shoot people. Now he's shooting shots on lives. Bloody Blanchard. Damn, I was hoping you could give me a signal. Jordan, how are we supposed to get a signal from this guy now? How long is his timeout? Jordan's mic isn't even on. Jordan, pangal je kakan. Yo, Jordan.
Sorry, like, bro, I'm busy jamming while I'm listening to you.
Hey, you German, you banning O's here? Why are you banning the O's here? Crap, now we're not gonna get the signal for GBP USD, the pair that I trade every single day. Yes. We need that GBP USD signal, the pair that we trade every day. Because remember, we don't trade gold and GBP JPY, we only trade GBP USD. Buy now. Great. Full margin, or should I go like percentage wise, or should I full margin the buys? Full my gain. Goldilocks, the flip of the 5, the drive. Oh, I think you just got off past 10 news and then it's pretty much done for the pound.
Oh, yeah, down.
Happy birthday to your daughter for yesterday.
Thanks, brother. Thanks, man. Hectic days, man. Hectic days, man.
100%, and that's why you can use this 10% profit to buy something nice.
Yeah, I took it to
Nice, you can buy 2 presents.
yeah, I just had to open my original stop.
Where was your original stop?
Yeah, I kept the original 20 from
Okay.
like just above it 5.
Yeah. Okay. Is anybody in gold still? Just out of curiosity. Or did anybody take the trade that I just drew on here for fun? I'm curious. Just closed. Very nice. Worldle. Worldle keep us entertained. I'm gonna call it the session at 10 o'clock, boys. Okay. Who won the Worldle yesterday? Uncle Robbie. Yes, Uncle Robbie won yesterday. I think Uncle Rob's won the Worldle yesterday. Super C. Okay, let's do. The first word is going to be super. Okay, so S is in the right place. A word, a 5-letter word with S as the first letter. What can it be? Five-letter word with S. Shots. Shots because Jordan shot shots yesterday. Can't be shame because H. What about sames? No. Strand? Can't be because no T and there's no R. Smart. Let's see. Smart. Can't be smart because there's no T and R. Yeah. There's no T and there's no R, so we can't do smart, guys. Let their brains operate. What's the word? 5-letter word involves S, 2 S's and an H. 2 S's and an H, a 5-letter word. What could it be? You know what's funny? The last time I did a giveaway and we did a Worldle, there were so many words. Now that people see there's no money up for grabs, nobody comments. Shoes, it can't be shoes.
Yeah, you must put smells in the world.
The problem with that is the current issue with that is I can only do it for PE people. It's too much admin for Owens outside for now. So it's the M and the H. What? Stash. Can't be stash. Can't be stash. No T and also can't with B. I can't have an A. Where's Uncle Robbie? Uncle Robbie, you're not going to defend your title today. Slush. Mark with slush. Can't be slush. Can't be slush, unfortunately. Slash. I want to slash them. Slosh. No, can't be slosh. Can't be slush, boys. Can't be slush. Can't be slosh. Where is Uncle Robbie today? Is he even in the chat? Oh, he's not even here. Uncle Robbie didn't come today? Oh, shit. Yo, he's not even defending his title. Someone's gonna take his title. Swish. Whoa, swish. Mark with the swish. Mark with the dub. 10 pips for Mark and a dub for Mark. Well done, boy. Well done, boy. Yeah. And with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, our games is done for the day. While I'm here, 13 wins, 2 losses. So, it is so shit. What has happened there? For the month, we're sitting on an 87% win rate, and let's check the year. 68 wins, 10 losses. Okay, it stays at 87%. think this gold idea is playing out, eh? Gold idea playing out. Quite straightforward. That's quarter two. Okay, my guys, I think I'm gonna call this session. I'm done for the day. We did what we needed today. Is there anybody in the chat that doesn't understand how and why I took today's trade? Let me know. You got about a minute. Anybody that doesn't understand today's trade? Or that didn't understand today's trade? Okay, I take it everybody understood it, which is good. Guys, I'm going to love and leave you. This is the last stream of the week for YouTube. I'll be back on YouTube next week, Monday. Tomorrow it is private MFX live as well as the MFX bootcamp. So it's as simple as clicking on the link in my description. It'll give you the link to my mentorship group. If you want to level up your trading, that is where it's at, man. You'll then also get free access to tomorrow's bootcamp. So yeah, here it is right here. There it is right there. The mentorship group, the broker that I use, the recommended prop firm, vault funder, as well as my business account. Run up those subs, boys. Let's get to 1,000 subscribers. Any questions? You can even text me on the what do you call it, the Millennial Forex business page. I will answer them there. But on YouTube, I'm gonna love and leave you guys. Thank you for the successful week. What have we done the week on YouTube? So for this week, we've only taken 2 trades on YouTube. I think it was Monday. Was Monday? When was the 21st? Tuesday. No trade on Monday. Took a trade on Tuesday. No trade on Wednesday. Took a trade today. So 2 trades called this week. We won them both. Tomorrow obviously I'm going to be trading again, but that will be for the MFX members only. So it's simple as joining the team, boys. But from my side, from the MFX side, YouTube, I'll see you guys on next week, Monday. Have a blessed week further. Have a lovely weekend. Trade smart, trade safe, and I'll see you guys then. Cheers. MFX members, I'm going to see you guys tomorrow, 8:30 GMT +2 for London session. And then our bootcamp starts at 10:30. So I'll see you guys tomorrow morning, 8:30. Okay. Cheers, boys. GG's, boys. Lovely trade again. I'll see you tomorrow. Vince, I'll see you tonight at 6.